Guys, welcome back to How to Repair, guys. If you guys have a Ford Fusion now, Ford Fusion Sport with the 3.5 V6 engine, guys, and you have common problem on those, you have coolant, coolant in your oil, antifreeze in your oil. Stay with us and we're going to explain what causes that and how to fix it, guys. In addition, guys, we have more than 200 videos on every vehicle we get at the shop, so please subscribe. Our mission, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. So let's start on it now. So the same 3.5 engine is used in Ford Edge, as you know. That engine is used in like 10 vehicles I can think of. And the same layout, everything is exactly the same as the Ford Fusion, guys. And there is not much information about Ford Fusion. We decided to make the video. If you have that problem, again, our goal is to save you as much money as we can. Now, let me explain, guys. Okay, there are two main reasons, okay, for coolant in your oil. One is number one, one is number two. Number one, guys, is water pump. And now we will explain why you can expect coolant, coolant in your oil. So, let me put our water pump here, okay? This is our water pump. Now, on most vehicles, the water pump is on the outside, it's belt driven, so when it starts leaking or fails, usually you start leaking coolant outside the engine, which you'll be able to notice on your floor and all that stuff. However, guys, if you have that Ford Fusion 3.5 engine and you notice coolant in your oil, number one reason is a bad pump. Why? Because that pump is driven by the timing chain. So this right here is the timing chain. Okay, timing chain chamber. Here, all that, guys, is covered with oil all the time. And the pump, of course, needs to be closed all the way with 8 bolts. Those are the bolts. And all that is under a timing cover. This is the timing cover, and you cannot even see your water pump. That's where the water pump is located. Behind, that bump here. Now, what happens, that pump fails in two different ways. Number one, guys, if the pump fails, what could happen, is start leaking from the shaft right here. And when it starts leaking from the shaft, all that coolant is going to drip directly in your oil pan. This is your oil pan down there. And what happens? Coolant and oil mix together. Now, another reason could be, let me remove it, a bad gasket. Bad gasket seal. This is the pump. Right here. This is your coolant water pump. This is the gasket. It's a double rubber gasket. In our case, ours is completely fried, as you can see. I mean, this thing is done. And as a result, it starts dripping coolant in your oil, directly in the oil pan. And that's why, guys, you can experience coolant in your oil. Now, another reason could be a bad head gasket. If you have a bad head gasket, what is happening? Again, you can experience either coolant in oil or oil in the coolant. Any of the two options. But this is less common reason. The most common one is a pump. And that pump, since it's timing chain driven, I would recommend to replace the timing chain every time you replace the pump, because you have to set the timing and all that stuff. This is the special tools. All that could be found in the description of the video below. So please check it out. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you next time.